Hello! Today we're going to look at two words that get confused a lot. Accept, accept. Let me say that again. Accept, 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 accept. Let's look at what the two words mean. He accepted my proposal. He accepted it means he received it. He took it willingly. Accept. He bought everything except sugar. So he was able to buy everything on the list, but he did not bring the sugar. So he bought everything excluding the sugar. He accepted, he received my proposal. He bought everything except the sugar. So let me say those two words again.